333G. It's got 419 hours on it. It is a very clean unit. Tracked, undercarriage in nice shape. Go ahead and start it up for us. Give you a quick walk around video on this unit. It's got a bucket that comes with it. The cutting edge is still present. Not in terrible shape. Undercarriage, nice shape. Tracks still have a lot of life left. Undercarriage, sprockets are nice and clean. Go ahead and come. It does have the reversing fan. This is a high flow unit, so you're equipped to go do mulching or land clearing. Has a camera in the back. Go ahead and turn it up a little bit. Nice and clean running engine. Depth is still equipped, not been removed. Still under warranty. The seller here is wanting to disclose he did run into a branch here. No big deal, just a little bend there and also here, but nothing major at all. It does have the rear weights. That's an added option. Those have been added. Same with this side, undercarriage is in nice shape. No leaks on the final drive or anything like that. The rollers are in good shape, they're not loose. Nice and clean. Same again, track is good shape. Normal wear and tear for 400 hours. This unit spent its majority of its life cleaning up brush. So very light work on it. Never been on concrete, nothing like that. Front rims are in good shape. There's no major scratches or anything like that. It does have a hydraulic quick connect. It's all working. And this is available for outright purchase. Give us a call, 972-666-9501.